Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to write a story on Wattpad. All right. So first up, if you haven't done so, go ahead and download the Wattpad app. And if you don't know how to do so, we have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up in the channel. All right. I'm going to go ahead and open up Wattpad right here and make sure that we are on the dashboard. Now, once we're in here, just go ahead and go to the bottom and we have this pen icon. All right. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and select create a new story. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and add your cover. For example, this one. Okay. The story title, just a sample. Description right here. Just a sample description. All right. Once that's done, I'm going to hit on next. Now here we have the first part. All right. If you want to name the part of your story, for example, prologue. All right. Like that. Now go ahead and add in some media or picture if you want to, just like maybe this one. Okay. Now go ahead and type down the content. For example, this is just a sample story like that. Subscribe to answer ASAP. Okay. Now once that's done, just hit on publish or tap on the three dots right here and hit on save if you want to continue editing later. Okay. So for example, I'm just going to hit on publish and go ahead and add in some tags. All right. For example, if you wanted your users to be able to use the text to speech option, just go ahead and type it down in here, text to speech. Okay. Once done, add another tag. For example, my first Wattpad story, just like that. And after that, I'm going to hit on save. Now I'm going to go to category right here. Select your preferred category. I'm just going to select short story and hit on save. Language, I'm just going to leave it as is. And acknowledge right here and hit on publish. All right. Now go ahead and tap on publish now. Wait for it. And it's done. From here, you can go ahead and share it using the link and some other options right here. Just hit on done. Now from here, you can go ahead and add in a new part or a new section. All right. And there you have it. All right. There you have it. You just wrote your first story on Wattpad. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.